Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we will discuss about for loop in Java. In our last classes, we already discussed about while and do while loop. So, assuming that you already watched those classes, please watch those classes and come back here. So, the basic need, why we need to use loops, those concepts were discussed in our previous classes. So coming to today's class, understanding the syntax and how the execution goes in for loop, that is what we are going to discuss in this class. In our next class, we are going to do, next coming classes, we are going to do some practice examples on loops. So coming to here, so we already know from the previous class, loops are used if you want to execute a block of code repeatedly. Then we go with loops. How the for loop statement is and what's the syntax is. Int I, we declared a variable. For I is equal to 1, semicolon, I less than 10, semicolon, I plus plus. The for loop statement is divided into three parts. First part is the initialization part. So here, whatever the variables you want to initialize, means initial values. You want to do it in this part. After that, the second part is the condition part. I less than 10. This is the condition part. After that, the third part is updation part. If you want to execute a loop, these three are minimum requirements. So the first one is initialization, second one is condition, third one is updation. So now try to understand how this code is going to be executed. Open brackets, closed brackets. In between these two brackets, whatever you have written, that is what the block of code that related to this loop. If the condition is true, execute this block of code. Update it. Condition is true, execute this block of code. So that is how it is going to be executed. See, the first time when it enters into the loop, it is going to initialize the variable. This statement is going to be executed. I is equal to 1. Now the value of I is 1. Then it is going to check the condition. 1 less than 10. Yes, it is true. Then execute the body. System.out.println of I. Here for simplicity we have written only single statement. In this block of code you can write any number of statements you needed according to your logic. After executing the body, update the variable. I plus plus means now I is equal to 2. Again check the condition. 2 less than 10. Yes, 2 less than 10. Execute the body. Update. Execute the body. Check the condition. Execute the body. Now I is equal to 3. 3 less than 10. Yes. Condition is yes. Execute the body. Then update. Again check the condition. See, the initialization variable, this statement execute only one time, that to first time. After that, initialization is not going to be executed. This block of code, this statement is not going to be executed each time. Condition is checked every time, updation is done every time. But initialization is done only the first time. That is the difference you have to understand. So what is the output for our program? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. When 10 less than 10, it is going to be false. It will not go into the loop. It will come out of the loop and it starts executing a remaining block of code which is there after the loop. System.out.println of outside loop. So our output is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then outside loop. So this is the syntax for loop. Hope you understand this example. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.